Installation: RO drinking faucet. Choose a suitable flat surface on the sink or countertop to install the drinking faucet. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing hole, you will need to drill a hole 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch diameter. Step 1. Clean and dry the sinkhole area. Step 2. Insert the front plate, then the rubber washer into the faucet base. Step 3. Insert the faucet into the sinkhole. Step 4. From under the sink, insert the rubber washer followed by the wing nut into the faucet stem. Tighten the wing nut to secure the faucet. Step 5. Insert the quick connect coupling to the faucet stem. Step 6. Insert the tubing into the push-in adapter 1/2 inch deep, and then insert a locking clip to lock the tubing in place. Step 7. Measure and cut the tubing. Leave enough tubing length for future maintenance.